See, the first charan of Ashwini Nakshatra is all about beginning again. It's all about whatever the past karma was. Now you want to restart the life. Now you want to plug in the restart button. It's about releasing the knotted emotion. It's about releasing the past karma. It's all about, it's like the first phase of Ketu. It's like to know what is the dharma, what is the responsibility, and what is the character of energy you are about to perform in this janma. It's about what intention you carry before you start performing any kind of a karma. Whether you have the intention to put everyone on the equal pedestal before starting or before claiming any decision over the masses. So Ashwini Nakshatra Pada 1 talks about that whatever energy you have, that you are stuck in, specifically the energy that is associated with the past life emotions, specifically with the past life of this life, any kind of a situation which you are unable to come out. It talks about releasing the unwanted emotion. It's about releasing what is stopping you. Okay, it's about unleashing the capacity beyond the physical. Although Ashwini Nakshatra is about the nakshatra of Urja, it is a manifestation of Urja in this physical world. It talks about the manifestation of energy in this Bhuloka. The power is calculated through horsepower. If you see scientifically, if you want to calculate the power, that what is the capacity of power that this particular car is moving through, it is calculated in horsepower. Why horsepower? Because if you see, it has a deep connection with the Ashwini Nakshatra. The Ashwini Kumaras are the horses. The symbol itself represents the horses. So it's a pure form of Urja. It's a pure form of energy that exists in this Bhuloka. That's why it talks about moving ahead in life by releasing whatever is obstructing you to focusing on your future, on your coming future. So if you want to manifest a good, if you want to manifest a balanced future, if you want to come out as a person who is free from any kind of a Rinanu Bandhana, then the Ashwini Nakshatra is a nakshatra.